Quick video of a baited spring leg snare. This one's out of the JJR Survival handbook. We'll do a little demo on the little board thing. So you would have, this would be a bendy stick, a counterweight over a branch, as in, so like a log or a rock tied onto a piece of string going up and over the branch, and then on the other end of it a small little piece of wood like a stick, and then a noose tied on the end, so a brass snare or metal snare, or depending on what kind of animal, if it's a bird, paracord or something. Now obviously this is going to be a small one because I'm just doing a demonstration on here, so you'd have to work out scaling it up or down. I'll zoom in a minute. And I'll also explain it. Oh, so hopefully you can see that. So you've got this kind of forked stick. This is your bendy stick. Your cord comes down and underneath that part, holding there by the stick. Now this stick is being held by this stick, which is stopping this flipping underneath that way. So on the end of that, you would tie bait, fill the sides in, so the animal could only stand in that snare, if that makes sense. Now once they're stood in the snare, they go to eat what's on the end, dislodge that, this comes flying out, and they're caught around the legs. Why it's called a baited spring leg snare. So they'd be standing in here. Oh, and the snare is round the back side, because if you put the snare on the wrong side, this will all get caught up, so the snare has to be on the same side. So they'll stand here, this is all filled in, and then start trying to eat off of this. I got caught slightly there. Look. I'll try it again. Right, so hopefully that makes sense. You could replicate that. Forked stick. In the JJR Survival handbook they've actually got two crossed sticks and they're tied. This will work. Bendy stick. This comes down underneath. Snare around that side. Stick there. And then this is placed so the animal stands in it. Obviously, you know, it's just small, you've got to scale up.